Breaking news. Attorney General Kabesha moves to stop Lungu burial in South Africa. Sanapenda mashukuru kuno konza aiwa there is a court action iriitika to block Lungu burial in South Africa. Not was subscribe or like on the bell. But team na mo blanyu kwamchinzi. The burial of former President Edgar Lungu scheduled for South Africa today may be hampered by legal proceedings that have been instituted by Zambia's Attorney General Mulilo Kabesha in the Gauteng Division of High Court of South Africa. The suit, which is directed against former First Lady Esther Lungu, 4 of Lungu's children, along with family lawyer Makebi Lungu, and the company running the morgue where he remains, have been kept, is seeking an interim court order to prevent the burial of Lungu, who died in South Africa about 3 weeks ago. The Attorney General is requesting that no burial take place until all disputes regarding Dr. Lungu's final resting place are resolved, specifically whether he should be interred in Zambia with the full military honors, customs and traditions as mandated by Zambian law and in keeping the public interest. In his application, the Attorney General contends that a state funeral for a former Zambian head of state is a formal public event governed by strict military protocols and intended to honor individuals of national significance. Kabesha further argues that even if it were true, a point he denies, that the late president wishes not to have a state funeral. Such personal wish must yield to the greater public interest. The Attorney General also cites legal precedent, noting that the Zambian courts previously set aside the burial wishes of the nation's founding president, Dr. Kenneth Kaunda, in favor of public interest considerations relating to the interment at Embassy Park. The action has been brought before the Pretoria High Court under Article 177(5)(c) of Constitution of the Republic of Zambia in the Attorney General's capacity as government representatives and protector of Zambian public interest. Hearing of the interim interdict application against the burial is expected to be held today, Wednesday, 25 June 2025 at 8 o'clock in the morning. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ino mbodi dzemafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro aiwa pari kuno kwaunzi aiwa mapresidings aiwa arikuda kuitwa nethe Lungu family yekuda kunoviga aiwa Edgar Lungu South Africa anogona kumbomira zvinogona kudhakwa. Pena comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.